happening today. Remembering the victims of the Pulse nightclub massacre, 49 people were shot and killed on this morning 1 year ago.
And hundreds of people have showed up at the nightclub in Orlando to remember the lives lost. News Channel 8's Ryan Hughes, he's live outside of that Pulse nightclub. And Ryan, I imagine this has been a somber time for family and friends out there.
Well, good morning once again. It was indeed. It was just after 2 o'clock in the morning 1 year ago today when a gunman opened fire in the nightclub behind me. A year later, and hundreds of people showed up here to pay their respects. Let's go to some video right now. Hundreds of people were on the grounds of Pulse around 1 this morning. The club owner, city leaders, and other dignitaries joined family and friends of those killed here to celebrate their lives. After that, people gathered around Pulse to reflect. Many small tokens and other items have been left at the club over the past year. Candles and signs also lined the sidewalk next to Pulse as a way to keep the memories of the victims alive. We spoke to a woman whose cousin and his partner died inside Pulse 1 year ago. Listen here.
It was very emotional. It was beautiful at the same time. We had the opportunity to say the names of our loved ones who passed away.
And coming up in our next half hour, why a Sarasota woman traveled all the way here to Pulse this morning. We'll have that story in 30 minutes. Back to you.
It's going to be a busy day out there with so many people remembering those who passed away a year ago. Ryan, thank you. And a remembrance is also taking place right here in the Bay Area. Head over to WFLA.com for a list of those local events and our continuing coverage.